Benchmarks from the Huawei P series have just been leaked, so now we can get a rough idea of what processors we'll find in these devices. Remember that it is said that Huawei will present the new P when you least expect it, because it is said that they already have everything ready, but they will not do a presentation event in the purest style of what happened with Huawei P70, where simply any day Huawei announced that their devices were already on sale and without the need to make a big event, they had a lot of success in their home country, so they hope to replicate that success with the Huawei P series. But now through Geekbench we have been able to learn about these first reports and records that have been left of the processors in this series. The first model is Huawei Alt-Al. It is expected to be the base model of the P series, and its processor reached 1243 points in a single core, 3840 in multi-core. During benchmark testing, the Huawei Allen, rumored to be the Pro variant, achieved an impressive score of 1348 points in a single core and 4114 points in multi-core performance. According to the specifications of the processors reported in this record, we would be talking about the Kirin 9000S, which is a processor that Huawei has already used in the Mate 60 series and has been good, although it's not the most powerful currently due to the restrictions that Huawei currently has to work with other partners. However, it seems that Huawei is gearing up for a new Kirin, but this one might only be available in the Art edition of the P. As you know, Huawei doesn't use the Ultra surname in its mobile devices, but the Art variant is usually the most advanced variant, with the best camera and the latest technology, so it is said that Huawei could debut a new Kirin chip in that device. And for this device, the benchmark results were 1784 points in a single core, 4589 points in multi-core. Some point to April 10th as the date when Huawei is going to release these devices for sale, while others say it will be April 11th, although obviously this will be in China. After that, we'll have to wait and see if they have any global release or a gradual release in other regions.